Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our class, students. I'm your instructor Adil Raza, and today we have to discuss an SLO from grade 6 unit 7, and it's our last lecture of unit 7. So let's find out what our competency for today's lecture is and what our SLO is. So we have a lecture on the competency of writing, and it's our lecture 5B, and we have to discuss paragraph writing in this lecture, how to write paragraph, how to write different paragraphs on a particular topic. So let's read what the SLO is to understand the topic of our today's lecture. Write multiple paragraphs on a single topic on the given text types using correct capitalization, punctuation, spelling by using pre-writing strategies, brainstorm, mind mapping, writing a first draft, seeking peer feedback, incorporating teachers' feedback, developing a final draft. So our SLO is about writing paragraphs on multiple topics. So what is meant by writing multiple paragraphs on a single topic? It means that a paragraph is actually a composition of sentences writing on a one topic, on a single point about a topic. So we can write on a single topic with different perspectives, with different ideas, with different topic sentences. And when we have different topic sentences and different perspectives about an idea, so we can write multiple paragraphs on a single topic. And in this lecture today we will learn about writing different paragraphs on a single topic and how can we divide a topic into different paragraphs. So here is the vertical linkage. I hope you guys have got it. Let's go further. Now we have a brainstorming session. So let's find out what we have to do in brainstorming. So here, have you ever written multiple paragraphs on a same topic? So I hope you guys have write multiple paragraphs on a topic in your previous classes. Like we have to write on corruption, and corruption is a main topic because a paragraph is a short composition of language. It consists of some sentences, most probably 8 to 10 sentences, most probably 100 to 120 words. So in such short type of writing, in such short type of genre, we couldn't add all the stuff, all the ideas, all the concepts, all the things about a topic into it. That's why we choose one niche or one topic, one subtopic from a main topic to write about it. So let's find out. Like we have an example, we have to write on corruption. So one student may write on the effects of corruption, one student may write on the types of corruption, one student can write on the causes of corruption, and one student may suggest some solution to overcome the corruption. So the all paragraphs are written on the corruption, but all paragraphs are different from one from another. So this is how we can write multiple paragraphs on a same topics. So in this lecture we will find out what the paragraphs is, what is a paragraph, how to write paragraph, and how can we write a number of paragraphs on a same topic, as we have an example of corruption in our brainstorming activity. So let's find out what is a paragraph, and then we will go to the parts of the paragraph. So a paragraph is a group of related sentences. Related sentences means that the sentences which are concerned on a single topic, on one point, that develop a single main idea. So one paragraph, one idea, it is the rule. If there is one main idea, then it will be one paragraph, and if there are two ideas, then there have to be two paragraphs. So about a topic, about a thing like corruption, or like anything, or like climate change, we have a topic climate change. So we have a number of main ideas about the climate change. That's why we can write multiple paragraphs on that single topic. A paragraph is a short chunk of text and cannot cover all idea on a single topic. So that's why when we cover one idea, it is a one paragraph, and when we cover second idea, it becomes the second paragraph, and when we cover the third idea on a topic, then it will become the third paragraph. This is how we can write multiple paragraphs on a same topic. That's why on a single topic one can write many paragraphs, like I have given you an example of corruption, or we can take the example of climate change. So we can write on the climate change in terms of deforestation, we can write on climate change in terms of global warming, we can write on the climate change with the idea of the we can say that the pollution. So that's why there are a number of ways to write on a particular topic or on a single topic. So this is how. Let's go to the paragraph writing. So a paragraph is actually made up of sentences, and there are only three type of sentences which are used in the paragraphs. And what are these three type of sentences? First type of sentence is actually a topic sentence. There has to be a topic sentence in paragraph. Secondly, there has to be a supporting sentence, and thirdly, there has to be a concluding sentence in a paragraph. So there are only three types of sentences used in the paragraph. So first one is the topic sentence. So topic sentence is the most important part of a paragraph, because this is most probably the first sentence of a paragraph, and it may contains the main idea of the paragraph. So let's read what the topic sentence is. The topic sentence is the first sentence in a paragraph. It introduces the main idea of the paragraph. So that's why topic sentence is work as a controlling sentence and also work as the sentence which contains the main idea, and all the sentences in a paragraph will support this sentence. This topic sentence was supported by a number of sentences which are considered as the supporting sentence. So here we have an example. So we have a topic spring, and on the spring we can write opinionative writing. We can write the text which is based, which has the text type based on the opinion. So we have an example, my favorite season is spring. So it is an idea, and this will be the main idea of the paragraph. Our whole paragraph will revolves around this particular idea, and all the sentences which we write in this paragraph will support this main idea. This is how a paragraph is started and how the paragraph will be developed. So let's go to the second type of sentences, which is supporting sentences. And what is meant by the supporting sentences? Supporting sentences actually supports the main idea or the topic sentence. So they are the sentences which actually supports the main idea or the topic sentence. So what are the topic supporting sentences? Let's find out. Supporting sentence make up the body of the paragraph. They provide details, examples and explanations to support the main idea. So that's why all the sentences which are actually supporting the main idea or the topic sentence are considered as the supporting sentences, and they are most of the time make the body of the paragraph. So let's find out. We have taken example of a topic sentence, my favorite season is spring. So let's find out how these sentences will support that idea. So what is the first reason? During spring the flowers bloom and the weather becomes warmer. Birds return and start singing, making the morning beautiful. I enjoy playing outside because the days are longer and brighter. So here the writer mentioned some details, some explanations, some examples, some reasons why he likes spring, why he or she likes the spring. So that's why, because all these sentences are actually supporting the main idea or the topic sentence of the paragraph, all these sentences are indicating that why spring is a favorite season of the writer. That's why we can say that all these sentences are actually the supporting sentences. So let's go further to the third type of sentence which are used in a paragraph, and it is the last sentence of paragraph most of the time, and it is considered as the concluding sentence. So let's find out what is a concluding sentence. The concluding sentence is the last sentence in the paragraph. It summarizes the main idea and gives closure to the paragraph. So Concluding sentence is that sentence which give the sense of closingness in a paragraph. The idea which you have presented in the topic sentence, and then you have give the examples in the supporting sentence, or you make some arguments to support your topic sentence in the supporting sentences, and all these supporting arguments, all your arguments and your topic has to be summarized in the last sentence, which is considered as the concluding sentence. So let's find out. We have taken example of a paragraph on the spring. So let's find out what the writer write as the concluding sentence of the paragraph. That's why I love spring more than any other season. So this sentence is actually giving a sense of closure, a sense of conclusion. That's why it can be considered as the concluding sentence. So I hope you guys have understand what is a paragraph and how a paragraph is consist upon different type of sentences. So let's go further. There is a classroom activity, because I have mentioned that what is a paragraph, how to write a paragraph, and how we can write a number of paragraphs on a particular topic, because paragraph is a very short piece of writing and on the different topics, because topics are very broad and we can write a number of paragraphs on a single topic. Like on the spring, which we have take as an example, we can write a paragraph on the features of spring, we can write a paragraph on the timeline of the spring, we can write a paragraph on the events of spring. So that's how we can write a number of paragraphs on a same topic. So here is the classroom activity. In this classroom activity, you guys have to write a multiple paragraphs on the main theme of corruption, and there are three sub themes, there are three sub ideas on which you guys have to write paragraphs. So let's go further. Here we have a simulation. Through watching this simulation, you guys will definitely enlarge your understanding of paragraph writing. So let's go further. Here is the worksheet. Pause the video and attempt this worksheet on the base of your previous knowledge. So let's go further. What we have next, we have a homework, and in this homework what you have to do, you have to write multiple paragraphs, at least 3 paragraphs on the theme of climate change. So on the theme of climate change, you have to make 3 ideas, and from those 3 ideas you can write 3 different paragraphs. We have a resource pack as well, which is attached with this video. We have skill sheet, worksheet. This resource pack will assist you to achieve the SLO. I hope you guys understand today's lecture. I hope you guys understand how to write multiple paragraphs on a single topic. What is paragraph writing, what are the parts of paragraph, which type of sentences are used in paragraphs. I hope you guys have achieved the SLO. If you find any issue, any confusion, any doubt, you can ask in the comment section or ask from your teacher as well. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.